Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, May 16th. The sun continues to be very active. In particular, one sunspot region, officially called AR 1748, has by itself unleashed 4 different X-class solar flares. X-class is the most intense type of solar flare as classified by NASA. The 4th in the series of X solar flares may very well cause some northern lights on Friday, May 17th, as it produced a coronal mass ejection, a CME, that looks like it'll deliver a glancing blow to the Earth's upper atmosphere on Friday, tomorrow, May 17th, and very well could cause some northern lights in the northern latitudes on Friday night. This particular sunspot region is located right here, and it continues to rotate in a fashion that will put it directly in the line of fire with the Earth over the next couple of days, and the odds are that it very well could unleash another X solar flare or two over the next 12 to 24 hours. Again, the very last solar flare looks like it'll deliver a glancing blow, and we'll take a look at a moment at a NOAA solar wind prediction model that shows that glancing blow reaching the Earth on Friday, May 17th. But over the next 12 to 24 to 36 hours or so, it'll move into this region on the sun, and that puts the Earth directly in the line of fire if indeed there should be another solar flare or two. And NOAA forecasters actually put the odds at about 60% for another X classification solar flare over the next 24 hours or so. Before we take a look at that solar wind prediction model that NOAA has, wanted to point out one other interesting area here on the eastern limb of the sun. This is another sunspot region. Again, it looks like an active region, and it too is rotating in this fashion here. Will be more directly in line with the Earth over the next several days. Well, let's take a look at a kind of a cool solar wind prediction model that NOAA has, and this shows the direction that coronal mass ejection took for this particular sunspot region over the past couple of days. First, this is the sun represented here by this yellow dot, the Earth over here, the green dot, and we'll loop through a period from a couple of days ago, May 14th, all the way through the 20th. These, by the way, these dots represent NASA's stereo spacecraft on the other side of the sun. Here's the first set of coronal mass ejections that definitely missed the Earth, but this very latest one looks like it'll deliver a glancing blow to the Earth right here on the 17th. That's tomorrow, as that particular sunspot region again caused all of the solar flare activity, including some coronal mass ejections. We'll kind of run through this again, but the first set of ejections definitely missed the Earth, may have actually delivered a glancing blow to some of that NASA stereo spacecraft, but this very latest one that occurred early yesterday will reach the Earth's upper atmosphere later tomorrow, causing delivering a glancing blow and maybe causing some northern lights in the northern latitudes by tomorrow night. One final plot I'd like to show from the NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center actually shows northern light activity going on right now. This is based on some satellite measurements, NOAA Polar Orbiter satellite measurements, and they can determine what kind of activity is going on right now in terms of northern lights. This is the legend right here, going from most intense to least intense. You can see right now, as of earlier today, the least intense aurora activity goes all the way down into the northern latitudes of the U.S., most intense right over the poles. But we'll monitor this over the next 12 to 24 hours or so. Very well could intensify across the northern latitudes of the U.S. later tomorrow night, as indeed that glancing blow from the very latest X solar flare reaches the Earth's upper atmosphere. So it's a very active period right now on the sun. Stay tuned to the siweather.com for further updates, just in case there are more X solar flares over the next 12 to 24 hours or so. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.